Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World, and last video I made a video about scammers, and people asked me something about my computer. So this video will be about my modified computer. So in 2020 and 2021 I was living in Romania and in the Netherlands, and I really didn't like that every time I had a new setup. So I was 2-3 months I lived here, was in the factory, then I would live in the Netherlands a couple of months, and every time a new setting of my computer, and I really didn't like it. So then I decided to build something. As you can see, I have here on screen, there I have my WhatsApp, Telegram communication. Here I have my work, how it's called, the main screen where I do the work, and here I mainly have my agenda. So this is actually a suitcase. So here I made from aluminium. I cut it with the laser cutter, and I glued a very thin screen behind here. Here I made, actually I will show the rear side. I made from carbon fiber with Kevlar. I made these boxes, and in these boxes I made all the electronics for the screen. Here I have some all kind of electronics behind. Made the place for the screen. Made a nice aluminium front, and here the same. So what I can do is I can take the computer, laptop, and put in here, and I can put the keyboard, I can put here, the mouse I can put, not now, there's a lot of, that looks like a lot of cash, and it's about 20 euros, so that's not really money. So in this way I have here a handle, then I can close this one here and that one here, put the Velcro over, and the suitcase is a bit too heavy, especially because the middle screen is a 4K screen, and it had like a 4 or 5 kilo something. So there I made a bit of mistake, so I wanted to have it a light travel solution, but on the end I don't move it that much, but still I like it. I have the same setting if I work from another location. I will show you something else. So what I've got to show you is I have here a box with a microphone. I have here still a camera also with a microphone. So directly my, I can do video calls here, and I think it's a nice setting. See ya. Bye bye.